Welcome to Japanese Cooking 101. Today we are making Kintokimame, red kidney beans in sweet syrup. It is a sweet little side dish that is often in the corner of a bento box. It's a great palate cleanser between rice and salty dishes. Kintokimame, or Japanese kidney beans, are shorter and rounder, and also they have thinner skin and are creamier inside. If you can't find the Japanese kind, you can substitute with good quality dried red kidney beans. On the night before, rinse the beans and place in a pot with water, about 3 to 4 times the volume of the beans, and cook to just before boiling. Remove from heat, cover, and leave overnight. On the next day, turn on the heat and let boil for a few minutes at medium heat. Drain the water, put the beans back in the pot with clean water. Cook at low heat about 1 hour, covered. The beans become very tender, and you can check by pushing a bean with fingers like that. And save about 1.5 cups of liquid and strain. Put the beans back into the pot again, add the reserved liquid, turn on the heat at medium heat and add half of the sugar, stir to mix, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Then turn off the heat and let cool. Now add the rest of the sugar, stir, and cook at medium heat for 3 to 4 minutes. Remove from the heat, cover, and cool to room temperature. There are many steps involved, but the beans cooked this way are evenly cooked and gently sweet. It's almost like a dessert. Hope you will enjoy this sweet little side dish.
美味しい。
美味しいね。